Are you tired of straining and grunting on the toilet seat for hours? Don't stress any longer, though, because we are going to reveal the top 7 tips to ease and regulate bowel movements without any hassles.
So, the next time you indulge in a high-fat meal, keep this information handy to deal with constipation before it happens. Hi there, and welcome to the Master Vitality series for another new installment on staying fit and healthy. My name is Dr. Helen Tong, and beside me today is Dr. Helen Tong, my life partner, and we are thrilled to be on hand today to assist you in figuring out how to get rid of constipation.
Firstly, let's quickly check out its causes. Constipation is a real problem that can cause a lot of distress and pain. Though a hard stool may worry many people, getting constipated a few times a week is considered normal, according to a report by the NIA.
There is no single cause of constipation in humans. Instead, it can be caused by things as small as eating too many highly processed foods, or as big as having diabetes or IBS.
Nonetheless, most causes of constipations are minor and easily manageable. During pregnancy, women may get constipated regularly as the digestive system slows down and takes its time to regulate. Similarly, females suffer from it in the postpartum period due to high level of hormones and birthing trauma.
Some of the other reasons of getting constipated include hypothyroidism, dehydration, a low-fiber diet, irritable bowel syndrome, diabetes, pregnancy, and a postpartum period.
But how does one know if they are constipated? The symptom can range from mild irritations to severe straining and tearing of the rectus muscle during bowel movements.
Constipation symptoms include failing to completely expel the stools from the rectum, passing fewer than 3 stools per week. Despite making a significant effort, straining and trying hard as the stool passes, being unable to pass stool despite the urge, and having a hard or lumpy mass.
Without much blubbering, let's quickly get into the details of some science-backed tips for getting rid of constipation.
Tip number 1, start consuming fiber-rich foods. Fiber is an indigestible carbohydrate that helps keep a person's blood sugar level in check. As this compound can't be digested or broken down by the body, it moves through the digestive tract and gets expelled. Fiber also assists in regulating blood sugars in this way.
Consuming foods high in dietary fiber like whole grain, bread, pasta, and cereal can help relieve chronic constipation. In order to facilitate bowel movements, one should eat more fruits and vegetables. It will soften the stool and allow it to pass more easily through the digestive tract.
Women should consume about 25 grams of fiber per day, while men should consume 38 grams. Despite the fact that this is an excellent way to relieve constipation, consuming too much can have a negative impact on the conditions.
More than 70 grams of fiber are considerably harmful to the body. So always maintain a balance whenever you plan your meals.
Tip number 2, load up on the H2O. Our body is made up of 60% water, so it's no secret that H2O will help keep it healthy. Water is crucial for treating constipation as it makes it easier for the body to pass substance through the digestive systems.
A cup of hot water can work wonders for treating bowel problems. It helps break down the food in the tract and keeps the bowel moving.
Not taking enough water can prove detrimental to overall health. It is a source of life for every human. Experts advise everyone to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to improve gut health.
Tip number 3, use a laxative. At times, natural remedies are ineffective and fail to relieve constipation. In fact, that case, taking a stool softener or laxative is important. These substances can help fasten a bowel movement and soften the stool, drawing water into it.
Though they can prove a temporary solution for constipation, long-term use of laxatives may have side effects like other drugs. If you've recently given birth or suffer from chronic constipation, the physician might prescribe a stool softener to help relieve the discomfort. But make sure you talk to your doctor first before taking them.
Tip number 4, drink some coffee. It might seem counterproductive, but coffee can help relieve constipation in some individuals. It may come as a surprise, but drinking hot coffee is more effective than drinking warm water for constipation.
According to a study, coffee helps the muscle in the colon and intestines contract. This helps move the substance through the digestive tracts and expel them. It also helps balance the gut bacteria because it contains small amounts of soluble fiber.
Though this alternative can benefit many, drinking coffee is not for everyone. People who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome or other digestive tract issue should avoid caffeine, as it can further mess up bowel movements or worsen constipation.
Tip number 5, exercise more. Physical exercise is vital for living a healthy life. Similarly, doing dedicated exercise can also help relieve the symptoms of constipation in many people. In addition, abdominal training and breathing exercise have proven effective in softening the stool and helping it pass through the colon.
Stretching and yoga may also help a lot of people with constipation if they do them regularly. Exercise helps reduce the time it takes to move food through the digestive tract and expel it.
Okay. The contraindication in the digestive tracts are dependent on blood flow. A high flow means the substance will move through the colon faster. Therefore, doing targeted abdominal exercises can help regulate bowel movements.
People who don't want to do yoga or exercise can also try getting a massage on their stomach. Tip number 6, adjust the toilet position. Though chronic constipation may be a symptom of an underlying health condition, general discomfort while relieving the bowels can be due to the various other minor causes. Facing difficulty on the toilet may be due to incorrect posture on the seat. Most modern toilets are designed like chairs that force a person to sit upright.
On the contrary, the best method for passing the stool is to sit in a squatting position. Then, when the knees are up to the abdominal, the legs are apart. The body quickly passes the stool without hindrance. So keep a stool underneath your legs while sitting on the toilet. It will help attain the squatting position and aid in bowel movements.
The last but important tips to help with constipation is to include pre- and probiotic in a daily life. Countless good bacteria live in a human intestine. An imbalance in those microbes may result in constipation. Pre- and probiotic assists in enhancing gut and immune system.
Probiotics are food items that contain live bacteria cultures that help with overall gut health. They can be found in naturally fermented foods and supplements. In addition, things like yogurt, cheese, pickles, etc. contain probiotics.
On the other hand, prebiotic food don't have live bacteria culture. Instead, they help feed the good bacteria that are naturally present in the gut. Honey, bananas, apples, oat, onion, etc. contain prebiotics.
Constipation is not an illness but a symptom of potential disease. Occasionally, discomfort while passing the stool is normal, especially after eating a low-fiber diet or consuming dairy products. The issue is easily treatable with a few dietary and lifestyle changes to improve gut health.
But if the condition doesn't improve in a few days, call the doctor for a complete evaluation. For further help and discussion, please reach out to us. Check out the description box for detail to set up a consultation with us. We are available and happy to help you. And if you found this video helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.